This month's soft acrobatics and the acro workout are very similar, so I've just put them together. It's the front flip. For most people, these drills will work best for both. If you've got that nice range of motion, a really close dislocate, you can start working on the cartwheel version of the front flip. If you go back and look at other acro videos, you'll see that version. But what I'm focusing on for people is just getting the forward flip in the rings. So you just want to have that nice bend position down. We get that forward fold and come up and have a nice split position there in the neutral position, reach, open, and then pull. And you can do that quite slowly and in a controlled way. As you get better at it, you can do it in a more dynamic way. You want to push, pulling there, but trail with the eyes. Ideally, you keep your tongue on the roof of the mouth, jaw closed, and you get that nice extension through the chain. And you want that to feel nice and light as you step out. So that's the pull component. The push component, you're just doing a nice kick up on the glass. Again, coming out a little bit, but you really want to open up that hip flexor, lock out the elbows, really shrug up, and push through. So you're kicking up and reach behind you, get a nice balance, and then making sure that you get a nice tap, a nice push through, so really strengthening that shoulder with that full lockout. As you get better, you come a bit further from the wall and come down to the ground and reach through more. But you want to get that nice base, that good kick up. The leg strengthening component for it is just hands up on the box and just getting that nice kick up. So you're going into a lunge position and then really stretching out that hip flexor, kicking up and driving away with the bottom leg. So you're getting that push with the bottom leg and that kick extension with the top leg and then push through. Trying to get up nice and high but push right through. Really trying to use the legs to drive up and get that nice hip extension. So working those three in a rest, it's good fun. It is quite dynamic, so just stay with the easier versions on it to make sure it feels nice and safe, that you're not overarching in the pull version to begin with. Once you feel confident and you're strong with the neck, you can start to open up more and just make it nice and slow and then speed it up. Same with the kick-up, same with the kick-ups on the wall, same with this drill with the box. They all work very well, and because these are high skill movements and quite dynamic, using longer rest periods is probably a better way to go about it. And if you feel like it is quite challenging, each of them, rather than doing them as a pull-push leg circuit, just doing this one first, 4 sets, having a good rest, and then going to the kick-ups as a separate station exercise, and then the kick-ups on the box as a separate station exercise. That way you can really feel them. These ones are a really good idea to film, so that way you can really see what your body's doing from left to right side. If the mobility is the same and the action's clean and you're opening up nicely, but the flexibility in the split position, front split, will obviously help these a lot, and then all the handstand work as well, and the kind of lunge strength to drive up as well. So it is a good expression of all the different things coming together, but take your time, work on it, get it done, get some videos up for me so that way I can give you some good coaching, and I'll see you soon.